Yo, YouTubers, what's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach y'all how to create upload defaults on YouTube. I did a 2017 tutorial on YouTube, so go check that out. All links will be in the description below. So, here's how you can create upload defaults. So I go right here, click on Creator Studio. You can either click on Creator Studio right there, or just simply click right there. I'm going to click right there. Right by customize channel. Okay. Okay. So once you're at Creator Studio, it will take you right here to your videos. When you click on it on your channel page, it will take you right there, right here. When you click on your mouse, when you click on your account avatar, it will take you to your dashboard. But anyways, so scroll down until you see channel right here. Let me zoom in. Channel right there. Zoom in. Scroll down until you see channel right there. Okay, click on channel. Okay, it will bring you to, when you click on channel, it will bring you to status and features. Okay, so once you're at status and features, click on scroll down, click on upload defaults right there. Okay, and here's where the magic happens. Okay, so you get to set your privacy so that you don't have to change it every time. Change your category so that you don't have to change it every time. License, title. So if you want your title to be something every time you upload, you don't even have to change the title every time you upload. So let me do how to, and then it'll put how to in the title when the video is processing. But I don't want to do that because my title changes every time. Okay, so description. I have some stuff in the description. See? So yeah, so I have in this video, and then I put what the video is about in the description. But I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to tell what the video is about because my video changes every time. I do different videos every time. So yeah, and I have added that one as the description. See those. Okay, so tags. Okay, you have to add tags so that you can get your videos to be viewable in search. So I have Christian music rocks, video games, Wii Sports top tens, and countdowns. I'm not going to do those. I'm going to do Christian. Christian. Let me zoom in. Christian music rocks. Okay. I don't know what else I want to do, but anyway, funny, hilarious. Okay, I want to do that one. See? Okay. Allow comments. Approved. Users can view ratings for this video. Check. Monetization. I haven't my channel isn't monetized yet. Add formats. Add breaks. Video language. Community contributions. Caption certification, and video statistics. So that's how you create upload defaults on YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? Bye. And click save once you're done. Okay? Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.